Teacher. Fireman. Doctor. Mailman. Nurse. Shell. Rock. Beach. Lake. Coral. Saw. Screwdriver. Nails. Hammer. Axe. Calculator. Glue. Sharpener. Envelopes. Rubber bands. The starfish is sunbathing with eyeglasses. Two princesses are sitting in the castle. George is carrying a house. An elephant is standing on a man. A little girl is giving a flower to a big elephant.